Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 9th to the 23rd. First, we're going to talk about Cristobal, Tropical Storm Cristobal. Here's a 2 p.m. advisory, and it's located at 24.7 north, 90.2 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles per hour, and it's moving to the north at 12 miles per hour. And you can see this is, excuse me, this is the potential track that it should take. And again, what they always say, don't focus on the cone because it can go anywhere outside this cone. But this is the most likely track. Now we're taking a look at the most likely time a tropical storm force winds will approach. And this is 8 a.m. on Sunday. Trying to read that. 8 a.m. on Sunday, tropical storm force. No, wait, that's not right. This is, oh yeah, 8 a.m. on Sunday. That's Saturday. I was reading wrong. Okay, so this is most likely track. Now, this is the storm surge that's forecast, and again, the main concern will be the water from the system, more so than the winds. And this is the latest satellite picture, radar picture of the storm and their effect in Florida right now. And this is the forecast rain. Let me see if I can get the right map up. Okay, this is storm surge peak. This is for experimental from the National Hurricane Center. And this is the rainfall forecast that's forecast now. It's forecast to make landfall across into Louisiana late Sunday, and then continue inland on Monday. And you can see this is the rainfall forecast. Now you can see we have rains approaching the orange. This would be like 6 to 10 inches of rainfall here, lighter amounts. And as the system continues to move inland, it will merge with a frontal zone, and we'll take a look at that. Okay, this is Monday, or this is early Sunday. Then we go to 8 p.m. on Monday. You can see the system down on the bottom here of the screen making landfall. And then we'll go to 8 a.m. on Monday, and then Monday night. And then here's the front. You can see the rain here. And then we'll go to 8 a.m. on Monday. Now the rainfall starts to get more intense here. It starts interacting with the circulation of Cristobal. And then we'll go to 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Now it's starting to merge, and this is what's left of Cristobal. Heavy rainfall will be across much of this area. What else I want to show? This is the latest satellite imagery. Very good circulation. Here's the center right here. This is visible. Trying to look for the overshooting tops. The deep convection might see a little bit here, but the system is very asymmetrical, and it's most of the activity is associated to the north and east of the center. And we'll go back and look at this map right here. You can see much of the activity is here, heavy rain and bands. So if you look here, storm surge and so forth is forecast all along the Florida coast, and the winds or tropical storm force winds are just likely off the just south of the Carolina coast. This is the latest surface map. This is another low. You can see we have stronger winds down to the south. Where's another map I wanted to show? You can see we don't have Cristobal in here yet. Still further to the south down here. And there's another map I wanted to show. Okay, I guess I don't have it. Okay, but they'll be affecting winds will start to increase tonight along the Carolina coast. Okay, with that said, Cristobal will result in above normal precipitation in its path. So we're expecting a heavy precipitation here. And also we have above normal precipitation across this area here as a front moves into the northwest, bringing rain and maybe some snow to the higher elevations, near to below normal elsewhere. Okay, we're going to get back to the regular forecast now. This is for June 14th to the 18th. And we have a nearly zone of flows forecast above much of the nation, with a weak trough here in the northwest and over the northeast. And northeast in the Great Lakes, and this will cause, and we'll have near to above normal temperatures elsewhere across much of the nation during this period. See it right here, above normal heights, weak trough here, a little bit of a trough here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal precipitation forecast for the plains and Mississippi Valley, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northwest, northern mid-Atlantic, and the northeast. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, and I'm forecasting probability of occurrence is 50%. Taking a look at the period for June 19th to the 23rd, and we have nearly zone of flow again. There's some differences in the height anomalies as far as strength, but overall we're expecting above normal heights across the east central states, below normal heights in the northwest. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting little changes in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. Excuse me, the probability of occurrence is 40%. Then we have a below normal precipitation for much of this area here. I think this might be extended further east, we're going to see on the next forecast, but the probability of occurrence is up to 55%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 9th to the 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.